Andy, can we talk really quick about a common pitfall that people fall into? I often hear my PPC is not working, and well, I'll go out and look at their campaign and they're bidding lower than the suggested bid.
Yeah.
So what's happening is you're not getting the conversion data. So you have to think about PPC is a bidding war, right? It's a bidding process. So when Andy says you need to be bidding over that suggested bid, you have to think if you're bidding super low, if the suggested bid is $1 and you're bidding 50 cents, lower than even the range, where is your ad going to be placed? Okay, think about that. If your ad is buried, nobody's going to click it. And also, you're not going to get the customer mindset. Now, if you're at the top of page 1 for water bottle, do you think you're going to get some clicks and some conversions? Probably, right? And you're going to be able to rank for that. Where the pitfall that people fall into is they don't bid enough to even get that customer data to understand where people are clicking and buying under what keywords. They bid too low, and then they're like, well, my PPC is not working. So in the beginning, yeah, you got to kind of, we've talked about this before, right? Go a little negative, because you've got to get that extra data, that golden information, so that later you can create a super awesome manual campaign and really target, lock into those keywords that you know your customers are going to buy for.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize with launches, you're going to go negative. You know, everybody thinks that, you know, and I see this all the time, people posting like, yeah, I launched and, you know, I'm down all this money or whatever. And I always, you know, tell them, if you've done your due diligence, you know, stay the course. You're going to lose money in the beginning. Some of our products, we lose money for like the first 2 months, but then guess what? Like every month after that, it's just like, you know, a hockey puck. So you really have to think about, you know, the investment up front. It's just like anything. If you invest up front, you're going to make it in the long run, but make sure you're doing your due diligence. Otherwise, you're just going to burn that money. So, so yeah, that's how to set up your Amazon PPC for success.